Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be setting our environment to test our first script. So before that we have to first install our Java. After installing the Java we will be installing Eclipse IDE, and after that we will be installing the Selenium. Okay, so let's first start Java. So for that you can just write Java here in Google, and you can open this Java Oracle website, and you can click this button, download Java for desktop. I already have in my system. Still I'll try to reinstall it. So after clicking this thing, it's going to give you the latest version, what's the file size is, and you can just simply create Java download and it will start downloading. After the download, you can just install it. So just click next. I don't want to change destination folder, I'll keep it same. So it's installed. So yeah, so we have successfully installed our Java. To check that, we can just run Windows plus R and write CMD and just open a command prompt, or you can search it on your search bar. For this, we just write the Java space hyphen, and we will write version here. So it will give you our latest installed version. This is what we have installed right now. We can also check the compiler version by just writing Java C space version. So Java C space hyphen version. So we have 21.0.2. Now, before running this, installing further our Eclipse IDE, we'll just check the environment variables if it has been defined. I already defined that, but sometimes it happens you have to define it manually. So you go here. So what do you do? Like right now, I have written Java slash home. So, and I have defined the path where I have the Java has been installed, or where you have downloaded and installed the Java file. So you have to define this path. You can just go on new, right here, Java home. So should be in caps, by the way. So just write in caps home. And over here in variable, you just mention the path. Okay. And once you click OK, it's going to show like this, right? Also here also you do the same thing. You just click new and just write the uh, variable and the value. The value is the same address where you have installed the Java, and just click OK here. So once this has been done, just restart your PC. After restarting, we'll download the Eclipse. That's where we are going to code. That's our IDE. So you just go to eclipse.org or just write Eclipse here, and it's going to open this website. Now, after going to this website, click on download, and once you have clicked the download, let me just hide it down. So once you have clicked the download here, just go and click download here. Don't download this arc, or normally we have to install this because everyone is using Intel. If you have the AMD machine, you can go with that, but we'll go with this one. Okay, download. Once it's been downloaded, you just have to install. I already have it in my system, but I'll show you the step how it's going to be. So yeah, now you can select accordingly what kind of module you want to start. So we are going with this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. There are furthermore thing, if you are coding with C++, you can use that. You can either use this ID for Java and DSL developer. So you have many modules here. We're just going to go with this Eclipse IDE for Java developers, our first option. Okay, I'm gonna install in default directories. Just click on install. So I already have this thing. It's just going to rewrite all the files. I think it's the updated version, so I don't need to update my system. Then we'll wait for a few seconds, and then once it's installed, we'll see the next steps. Okay. So we have successfully installed our Eclipse. We're just gonna click launch here now. So it's the most updated version, 2025 6th, being released on June 2025. I was having the older version of this one, but that doesn't matter. You don't have to update it or reinstall it in a like so regular. Uh, you can just work on one prior version too. It's also stable. So just click on launch here. Uh, I already have this workspace, but I will create a new one. So I will be changing my workspace here. Um, you just write it workspace 101. Now create launch. And you open this ID, it's going to show us this screen. This is the welcome screen of Eclipse ID. Now you just have to click file and then you just click new. And after creating new, we just select Maven project. So we're going to create a Maven project here. You just click this create a simple project so that you don't have to customize everything and select different option. It will just keep us simple archetype, simple project, and we can work on it. Now you can like name your group ID. So I'm just gonna give it test 101 artifact ID. Test artifact ID can be introduction. So yeah, see, you see the error. Like sometimes it happens if you don't give the artifact ID, it's not going to give you next option. So I'll write it introduction. Um, so yeah, we have created. Now we don't have to. If you have a parent project name, you can write group ID of that and artifact ID of that and give the version of it. I can also write the name and description of this artifact ID, but it's okay for now. Like I'm not putting it right now as I'm not uh, building a whole test suite. So we'll skip here and then just click on finish. I'll just close here. So on closing that welcome screen, this is your default screen. This is how things are going to be. I have selected the black theme. That's why it's showing me black in color. Normally it shows white. So this is your whole package on your left. So this is what I have created, my Maven project, which its name is introduction. And then you have your main Java class, all your resource file, and then you have pom.xml. So this file is very important. That's where we are going to install our dependencies. So what you do now to install our Selenium, we'll just go and write mvn, just write, sorry, mvn. So it's in a short form of Maven. So after opening this mvn repository, you go and write Selenium, here, and you just click search button. So what you're going to do, you're going to install the Selenium Java, not the remote driver, not the server, not the API one. This Selenium Java, that's what you're going to install. So click on that. Just install the latest version. It's 4.35. You might go one version down. I think it's sometimes it's more stable, and you can see it's more has more usage. Um, so let's just install one version down of it. So once we have opened this one, yeah. So click on this version. So once you click on that version name, the version, you have to copy this code, right? Once you have copied this code, you go into your IDE, and within this dependencies, like this project that doesn't has dependencies, so just paste this dependencies here. Okay. Now this thing doesn't have any dependency. The error will be to add one more tag, that's dependencies. So you just click on this error code and it will show you what's not there. So if you have multiple dependency, what you do, there is one more tag which is like dependencies, and then between this dependency you can paste this dependency here, because we will be installing more number of dependencies, not just this one. So between this code we are going to paste our dependencies, and I'm just going to delete this one. And once you have installed this thing, copied this thing, you just save it. Okay, because once you are saving it, it's going to run it. You can see here build 75%. So yeah, so we have successfully installed our Selenium dependencies. That's how we have completed our setup now. In the next video, we will be seeing how to prepare our first test case, and we'll prepare some test automation scripts there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel. Bye now.